Well, I've lost count of how many revisions I've done, but this one does appear to be a lot closer to the right fitting. I'm holding the central gears still, so the planetary gears, or whatever they're called, turning this one that way makes that one turn that way. It's a little bit clicky in there, and if I turn that one rather than this one, it clicks more because that one's got some teeth worn down on it anyway, which tends to make it sound worse. But we got the general idea. I don't know if it's worth putting that into the vehicle and seeing if it actually runs. I've actually lost track of the middle gears. I printed off some different sized ones. I don't know if you can see them on there. And I can't remember whether that's one of the ones that I printed off slightly bigger or not. I've just done so many. I should have thrown away the old ones each time I did a new one, but I've kept them just so I can see how many I've done. I think I might try screwing it in place and just see what happens. Right, it is a bit clicky. If I hold one still, so we do have a working differential. I'm not going to pretend that that's perfect, but from where we started, that's significantly better. Like we had no drive originally. Yeah, a bit noisy, not perfect, but significantly better than it was. We'll give it a little run. I've even put the camera on the back of it. So, that's left, that's right. If you haven't seen the previous videos, this is not the right controller, but it happens to have all the functions. This one's the bucket up and down, and then forwards and backwards are these two. Forwards, backwards. So forwards and right would be that one and this one back. Yeah. I think we're a bit low on range. It starts doing that shuddering as soon as it gets a few feet away. But that's probably not a fair test of anything. See, when it gets closer, it stops that shuddering. Just wondering how tight a circle it turns. I don't think it'll be tight enough to do a circle in here. That's full lock, which is why it starts clicking like that. It's pretty close to a full circle. You can probably see I'm having to hold the transmitter right up as far as I can to keep in range. But that seems to be working. It's actually, well, in my opinion, getting quieter. Those gears may be wearing in a bit. So, yeah, we appear to have a working scraper with a 3D printed differential gear setup made from scratch. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.